The trees are swaying.
The trees are twins.
The trees are is very beautiful.
Male fruit.
Hey guys, welcome back to Marla's World. If you're new here, welcome to Marla's World, and don't forget to subscribe to be a part of my world. So today guys, I have with me today the Yardie Bros.
Yardie Bros. Don't know Sir Dylan.
You're the dog. It's Malik. You see me? You feel me, people?
Oh my god. Oh my god. Don't know Sir Chemo.
Kelly, I don't know.
Alright, cool. That's everybody.
Okay. Guys, in this video we will be doing the Whisper Challenge. So it's me and Dylan. Malik versus
the man of many names. You don't know Sir Chemo and Kelly with a panty.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Guys, you know what? Comment down below and let me know which team you think will win. Because I want to know before you guys go any further in the video. Okay?
Yeah,
okay.
I
think we're going to win. So.
Anybody lose, you feel me?
No cheating, make sure your volume all the way up.
Alright. You're no cheating.
Christian always cheat.
What? What are you
talking about now?
Yeah. But anyways. Okay.
Alright, let's kick it off then. Make them start.
We go first?
Ladies go first.
Rock, paper, scissors, man.
Ladies go first.
Yeah, call lady. Okay,
wow, that's so messed up.
Alright, we go first. You ready?
Yeah. Okay, so we have somebody in the background that's going to say something and then we have to guess it. And we have 3 chances. And if we get it, then we get a point. If we don't get it, then we don't get a point. But it can't be transferred because obviously they're gonna hear it.
No, we're not here. I turn on my music to man.
No, but y'all get too much chance. No. We get 3.
Each or one?
So you need a pen?
The team I get 3. Yes.
Cheater.
Who's going first?
Alright, so alright, may I take out my headphone?
Alright.
Put that music.
Yeah, put on the music.
Ready?
Let me see the volume on your phone, Malik. Let me see the volume on your phone. See? You never all the way. Cool.
We can't hear.
What is the weather like today?
I can't say about.
What is the weather like today?
We can't hear you, sorry. It's just a
what is the weather like today?
What is the word that I can't say?
And
what?
She said, what is the weather like today?
Yeah, that is it.
Talk lower.
Your headphone not
yeah,
good.
we can't hear her.
You can hear me?
What she said?
Because he wasn't hearing though.
What you
You can't hear, but
what is the weather like? But she heard.
Oh.
Because the headphone that she have, one of them probably lower.
Shana, don't say out the word. Just
so wait,
move
you
your
can't hear me? You can hear me? You can hear me?
Yes.
Everything?
Everything.
Look like you don't do it.
we just wait.
Nah, that's not fair. Let me see. Let me see something.
Jana, just say the stuff. Don't say it out loud.
Say something.
Ready?
Say something.
Wait. Me if you say something?
No, but that's not fair. You can't hear nothing.
Say something? What you say?
No, but the full headphone too loud. No, full headphone too loud. Yeah. Don't ask questions like when you ask Alexa. But what is
so today? We gotta take out this when we have a talk. Answer the question.
Don't play the music
Ready?
for them after them turn.
She has said something about loser.
Oh, I hear that.
No.
They got one try
again. One more. I feel like Kalalu.
Yeah.
Y'all give up?
No, say it one more time. Yeah, use my chances.
Alright, so last one. Yep.
All me I see a loser.
No, it's not.
Alright, can I say now?
Alright, turn up for the music.
I am from St. Lucia.
Huh?
I am from St. Lucia.
What the heck? I never heard that.
Yeah.
Y'all didn't
This
know?
nigga had his headphone in all this time. You didn't supposed to have the
You're not
headphone
supposed to
in.
have it on,
No,
thank
you
you.
ain't even supposed to have the
You say I
headphone.
am from St. Lucia?
Yeah. You knew that's what I was
It
saying?
wasn't our turn yet. And even when I try it, I'm not trying to.
I thought it was our turn.
Alright, pull it down. Pull it down. Turn up the music.
You guys ready?
Yeah. Hold on. Yo, someone could give me a free pint.
What? How you never say?
Yeah, you didn't get to do that.
Ready?
Mm.
You know word stuff good. You be like, you can't do that. You gotta.
Bro.
I don't know what she has to
Welcome to the channel. Oh, welcome to the Yardie Bros channel.
Fuck. Yo. Me not be music coming out here.
You told me mouth it, so.
You can't only mouth it. You have to say it a little, man.
So I'm gonna go a little.
A little bit higher. Right now, come
Alright,
like.
next, let's move on.
She said, welcome to the Yardie Bro channel. Missy channel, so me just guess the rest.
New Year's is on Friday. New Year's is on
Me
Friday.
area. I just me hear New Year or something.
New Year's is on Friday.
What?
New Year.
Is on Friday.
New Year is
This is
going.
Malik's girlfriend?
No.
Malik be way
New
off.
Year.
Is on Friday.
New Year is on Friday. Woo!
I'll be there.
Jamaican is perfect from the
Where is it?
bottom to
Where
the
is it?
top.
She got it. New
That
Year's is
headphone
on
there,
Friday.
that
Oh, you
shit
still
on.
have yours? You can take it out.
What should he say?
We have to
Yes, it's
go.
on Friday.
Here we have to go do. You have to go put one of your headphones off your ears and one off your ears. Because your headphone alone.
She got it.
Alright, ready?
What she has to say?
New Year's is
New
on
Year
Friday.
is on Friday.
You guys ready?
Wait, let me start. Alright, ready.
Marla is very beautiful.
What?
Marla is very beautiful.
Bufo?
Marla is very beautiful. Marla is very beautiful.
Male fruit. Wait, how much try we have?
3, you got 2.
How much gone?
2.
Marla is very beautiful.
The first word, brother. What the first word is? Me get the whole bottom part now. What the first word was?
Look how feels that.
Go again.
Why isn't he getting the bottom though?
No, minister, no. Go on.
Marla is very beautiful.
Malik, we take it on that.
No, man, you're cheating.
No, you can't say it then. You can't say it.
Already.
Me think you say melanin is very beautiful.
Almost.
Close.
Marla
Me take it
is
on
very beautiful.
Who? Man.
Marla.
Mala? And that's you say Mala?
Yes.
Me think she said melanin is very beautiful, but I mean I hear beautiful, but I said me don't know what that is.
Melanin is very beautiful.
She just say melon?
Ready? It is very cold outside.
Easy.
It is very cold outside.
You also give them easy one
Give me
them.
some hard one.
They got it.
That easy though. It's
Who
very
got
cold
it?
outside.
Both of
I
them.
thought about melon is very beautiful.
I said Marla.
A melon.
A
here.
melon.
We get it?
Yeah, you guys got it.
Count the cheek.
She did an easy one. It's very cold outside. Then time she a melon is very beautiful.
Let's go. You guys ready? Red is my favorite color.
Oh, what is your favorite color? What?
Red is my favorite color.
What is my first name?
Red? Red?
is my favorite color.
Oh, red is your favorite color.
Say it the right way. Red is my favorite color.
Red is your favorite color.
Yeah.
And that you say?
Yeah.
What you say?
What you hear? What you hear?
You got it!
Oh!
Oh my god! What is wrong with you? I said you got it.
Huh? She said red is her favorite color.
You have to try to read lips.
It come like a sign language class with you.
Red is my
Red is my favorite color. Outside is very cold.
Bruh, I'm
Melanin
thinking.
is very beautiful.
Listen, off the top of my head. Ready?
Yo.
I love Skittles.
No.
I love Skittles.
I love what? Cheese?
I love Skittles.
I love seasoning.
Jana.
Stop cheat.
I
She can't sing.
Listen. Yo, make sure that button Listen.
I love Skittles.
I love what? I love
Penis.
beets.
No.
Alright,
You lose.
Take it out.
Take it out. Time up.
Listen.
I love Skittles.
What the heck?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, me not get none.
Kill your music in there, Felix.
Ready? You ready? The light is very bright.
The moon is very bright.
The light is very bright.
You look last week, man.
The light is very bright.
Good job.
What? You get it?
You get it.
What did you say, Huey?
This hurts the ears, brother.
What did you say, Huey?
What you say?
I said light. I said the moon first.
Then he got it. The light is very bright. He
The
got
light
it.
is very.
I
Oh.
thought you said the moon.
Oh, true. The light, right.
So it's 3-2.
Brother, me never hear that.
The man said, what?
Me can't half crack man. Can't put them on this load, brother. It feel like time.
You put it full blast in your ear?
Yeah.
Bruh.
I put it full blast.
Oh.
Look.
Bro. I feel like me I get deaf.
Your eyes are red. Okay.
Oh.
I said, what?
Okay, we try it again.
Because I don't.
How much you got?
Them ready.
Ready? The couch is black.
Yours is black.
The couch is black.
The couch is black.
Yeah.
I was like, give them some simple stuff.
The light is very bright. Look how much for it.
The light is very bright. The coat black.
She can't even say light bright.
Ready?
Wait, let me set up. Okay, right now we're defining this.
Ready?
See me tonight.
It is raining. It is raining.
It is.
Outside raining.
It is raining.
Outside raining.
It is raining.
Good job. 4-3. He got it. He got it.
Mad.
It is raining. He got it.
Outside raining.
But no, it's a piece what you say. And then we just come by the two of them.
Oh, until me here outside raining.
He got it. So it's 4-3.
4-3.
Yeah, with that.
We are win.
Them I win.
Yeah. They got 4. You guys have 3. You gotta catch up.
Yeah, we
Let's
gotta
say
win.
Let's
say
see.
rain. Oh,
Outside raining.
Wait.
Brother, this will give me a headache, fam. I didn't know it was gonna be this hard.
I'm gonna do a sentence now.
Yo, it's ready.
All right.
Outside.
Yo, say something nasty, Shaka.
The trees are swaying.
Really?
The trees are swaying.
It is raining outside.
The trees are twins.
The trees are.
He's a twin. Wait a moment, Judy.
The trees are swaying.
The trees are green.
Yeah, that's
The trees are swaying.
The shoes is swaying.
She was a sway. That's
The
it.
trees
They did it 3 times.
are swaying.
Yes, they
No,
did.
they
Yeah,
each
man.
got 3 tries.
They did do 3 shots.
She do 2.
No, she missing 1 more. He missing 2.
No, it's 3 for the team.
The trees are swaying. Last try.
Didn't give up.
The trees are swaying.
A 5 chance after that.
I don't know.
Alright, give
Okay.
up. Take the table.
The trees are swaying.
Oh, that's
The what?
what you said.
Swaying.
You're so close. The
Yeah,
shoes
you
is
said
swaying.
swaying. Mhm, you were
The
close.
shoes
Nah.
is swaying.
What did it say?
The trees are swaying.
Oh.
Yeah.
Black people don't use them
I
word.
fancy word shall use.
Yeah, trees are
I
swaying.
cannot.
Listen, I'm not white, man. You come from Jamaica.
Are you guys ready? Let's see what I can give you guys so that, because
Because you don't want us to win.
it's not that.
Yeah. I'm gonna start.
So we had 3, 4. We need to deliver.
Richard.
Okay. You guys are all Jamaicans. You guys are all Jamaicans.
Don't waste none that. You don't waste none. You see what I say? Make her go 10 times. I mean, that's what I say.
But that like Kiliki I hear.
You guys are Jamaican.
You guys are American.
You guys are Jamaican.
You guys are tripping. What you say?
You guys are Jamaican.
Oh, Jamaica.
You guys are Jamaican.
We
You guys
win.
got it.
I'm a
Huh?
You got it.
What you say?
You guys are Jamaican.
Brother. Oh, we're Jamaica. Oh, yeah. You think he said you guys are tripping? I was like, what?
You guys got it.
So much we have go 5 or 10.
How much we are going?
5-3.
Alright, well,
So we done?
You said
No,
5.
no.
How many do
We
you want to
don't
go?
get-
How much I go?
But when you say we are got 5, how much we are going?
I thought we go. No, man, we need to win.
Let's go. Okay, you want to go 10?
Hold on, long video, I think that's 6 right?
Well, how many do you want to go? Because you have 5 and they got 3.
My
So
favorite number 5 and something like past 5, brother.
come on, let me know.
No,
Alright,
let's
you know
do 5 more, but let's all we get.
Keep in the headphone.
Yeah,
Yeah.
let's all keep in the headphones.
Okay.
Okay, cool.
So we not on team?
Yeah, we're on team, but
But we just not go one at a time no more.
Whoever got it, got it.
We get 2 chances or 3?
3. The same
2.
3. 2?
Yeah.
So you all heard that?
Brother, me not hear what you
Take
say.
it out. Let
Huh?
me see. Okay, so you guys have 2 chances now, and you guys all have to participate. It's not like round now. Whoever can see what I mouth, get the point.
So we just start from one side?
It doesn't matter.
Oh.
Whoever can figure out what I said gets the point.
So we had to raise your hand and shit?
No.
Oh,
You
no.
can just shout it out.
Let's
Oh,
start from that side if you move.
no.
Okay, ready?
Wait. I'm turning on music.
Put it in now?
Yeah.
Oh.
And just watch me so then you guys know.
Say she have a girl.
Ready?
To
Ready? What time is it?
what time is
What
it?
time is it?
Gang.
The speed challenge. Speed run.
Ready? I am light skinned.
I am Latin.
I am light skinned.
What?
I am light skinned.
I am Latistic.
I am light skinned.
I'm practicing.
I am platin.
Take it out. Both of you guys got the
Yeah,
2
you
No,
tries.
keep going.
2
Two
tries.
Just keep going.
Let me say what I said.
No, we don't want to hear what you say.
I am light skinned.
I am Latin light skin.
I am light skinned.
I said that. I am Latistic. 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 Latistic.
You said Latin.
Listen, man.
And you only have 2 tries, Kimo. 2 tries.
No.
So
You know,
let-
why have, if it's a speed run, why have 2 chances?
Because we want to move.
Yeah.
No, because if a speed run, everybody can just
No.
keep screaming till you say, yeah,
So you
right.
have 1, he have 1. Or then
That's not-
2.
that's not
So we
fun.
can
Fun.
move.
It would be fun if if there's no chances. You just scream out what you want to
Come
scream
on, next one. I love dancehall. I love dancehall.
I love
I love
chocolate.
such coal.
You
I love dancehall.
I love.
you love Lasco?
No. I love dancehall.
I love Sasko.
No.
What you say? Say it again.
I love dancehall.
I love Zantoy.
Something.
Zantel.
I love dancehall.
Oh, I love dancehall.
I see.
Brother, I can't dance. I say that's not enough.
I said dancehall.
It sound like a Lasco.
She was kind of getting like close to the window.
What she say?
She said dancehall. What kind of?
I see.
A Lasco.
Okay. Malik is in grade.
Malik is.
Malika wear grey.
What?
What?
Malik is in grey.
Where's it?
Malika, we agree.
Ja.
Malik is in grey.
Oh, me no know. I don't miss it though.
Alright, ready.
Are you giving him the points or not?
What did he say?
Me say Malik in agree.
He said Malik is in grey.
Oh yeah.
So okay.
It's the same thing, right?
Alright, you ready? Do you want a candy? Do you want a candy?
What?
You want candy?
What?
He got it.
Your music man?
Up dog, no dog, get up, look.
He has music.
Move.
It a play dog.
He
have music. It look like he never did a move. What did he say though? Cause I.
Say, what did I say?
What did he say?
What did I say?
What she say? She say she want candy.
Do you want candy? He said do you want candy? I am wearing blue.
I like
Yeah, we are blue. Yeah, we are blue.
What did you say?
What'd you say?
She said she wear blue.
What did you say, Marla?
I am worried about you.
The reason, man, this is what I say. Yeah, you.
That's what me doesn't read early as good as me can.
Do you like the winter season? Do you like the winter season?
Who like the winter?
You like the winter the season, yeah?
What yes?
You say you like the winter the season.
Do you like the winter?
You.
Do you like the winter season?
Do you like the winter seasoning?
Season!
I said that. No, I said that. I said that.
No, that's not what you said.
You
What
said you like the winter this season.
do you like the winter season?
Oh, similar.
Why did you say season?
No, give me no chance.
I said season, they're added in.
Oh my
Brother,
god.
1 point we need. We can just block
10.
out.
I can see white doors.
I need 1,000.
I can see white doors.
I like see when it's
You know, like white
I can see
shoes.
white doors.
I love
What
a
she
song
say?
you can't hear
I
everything.
can see white doors.
Yeah.
Like what?
Doors!
Oh, I think you say you don't like white shoes.
He said I can see white doors. How can he get you not to
Get
you
it right here.
Yes, okay.
You don't hear nothing.
Because
Yeah,
you know
yeah.
what his music on, you know what he does? He watches me while all of you yell. He watches me and then he says it after you guys.
I think you said
Tell
I
him
see
I
when
win.
it snows, yeah?
So it's 10.
No, listen,
I think she said she like white shoes.
I said I can see white doors.
I told
Me
you
know
to
me
hear
see
it,
white.
so I told you.
Me know me see white.
Sometimes in life you gotta let the ladies win, innit?
I guess at this moment wasn't one though. In life you have to make the ladies win, but in this situation it wasn't one. The ladies didn't win. Alicia.
Oh my god, I hate you guys.
They came down enough.
You can do it?
So you guys want 10?
She making that
6.
okay.
10-6. Unfortunately, guys, we lost.
The ladies lost.
They lift up the man.
Malisha.
Kimisha and Kilisha.
Yeah, but
And Kilisha, yes, I like how you said it. I was not in that.
Yes. So guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and go over to their channel, Yardie Bros.
There's the link
And
in the description. That's the link.
yes, it'll be in the description below.
Bio.
You think on Instagram this boy?
I don't think I say. Which one am I?
But yeah.
Bye guys. Thank you guys for watching.
See you next time.